Today, we're diving into some exciting news about the DJI Mini 5 Pro. If you're a drone enthusiast or just love exploring the latest tech, this one's for you. The DJI Mini series has consistently delivered cutting-edge drones in lightweight, registration-free designs, and the Mini 5 Pro promises to take things to the next level. Rumors suggest a game-changing lineup of features, including a LiDAR sensor, enhanced AI tracking, and much more. Let's break down everything we know about this highly anticipated drone and see why it's creating such a buzz in the tech world. A closer look at the DJI Mini series legacy. The DJI Mini series has become synonymous with innovation, catering to both beginners and seasoned professionals. Since its inception, DJI has prioritized compact designs packed with advanced features, making the Mini drones a top choice for travelers, vloggers, and aerial photography enthusiasts. Now, with whispers of the DJI Mini 5 Pro on the horizon, expectations are higher than ever. LiDAR Sensor, precision redefined. One of the most talked about features of the Mini 5 Pro is its rumored LiDAR obstacle sensing system. LiDAR technology, which has already proven its worth in DJI's higher-end drones like the Air 3S, is a revolutionary leap for compact models. By utilizing laser-based sensors, the Mini 5 Pro could achieve unparalleled precision in obstacle detection. For drone pilots navigating through dense forests, urban landscapes, or challenging weather conditions, LiDAR could be a lifesaver. Imagine effortlessly weaving through obstacles with confidence, whether you're shooting cinematic footage or mapping out a complex route. This feature alone positions the Mini 5 Pro as a standout in the market. Redesigned motors, performance meets durability. Leaked images have hinted at vented motor designs in the Mini 5 Pro. This improvement is expected to reduce overheating, a common issue in drones operating under strenuous conditions. With these motors, users can anticipate better overall performance, extended motor life, and smoother flights. Coupled with its lightweight frame, the Mini 5 Pro could deliver enhanced agility, longer flight durations, and reduced maintenance needs, a trifecta of benefits for drone enthusiasts. A 1-inch camera sensor, next-level imagery. Rumors suggest that DJI is equipping the Mini 5 Pro with a powerful 1-inch camera sensor. This upgrade could revolutionize aerial photography for compact drones, offering sharper image quality, better low-light performance, and improved dynamic range. For content creators, this means capturing breathtaking sunsets, vivid landscapes, and detailed close-ups without compromising on quality. The Mini 5 Pro could become the go-to drone for photographers looking for a lightweight yet powerful tool. Flight time and endurance, breaking new ground. Another highlight is the rumored 40-minute flight time. If true, this would mark a significant improvement over previous models, making the Mini 5 Pro one of the most efficient drones in its class. Longer flight times are invaluable for users who need uninterrupted sessions, whether for filmmaking, surveying, or recreational use. Enhanced AI tracking, smarter than ever. AI tracking is another area where the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to shine. Enhanced algorithms could enable the drone to follow fast-moving subjects with greater accuracy, making it a top choice for sports and action filmmakers. Whether you're capturing a thrilling race or a dynamic dance performance, the Mini 5 Pro's tracking capabilities could keep up with the action. 5G connectivity, real-time precision. To top it off, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature 5G connectivity. This upgrade promises smoother, more responsive controls and clearer real-time video transmission. For professional creators, the ability to view a stable live feed while piloting is a game-changer, ensuring you never miss a crucial shot. Balancing lightweight design with power. One of DJI's ongoing challenges has been maintaining the sub-250g weight limit while incorporating meaningful upgrades. This weight restriction allows the Mini series to remain registration-free in many countries, a key selling point for casual users. The Mini 5 Pro's rumored features, including the advanced camera sensor, LiDAR, and longer flight time, suggest that DJI is once again pushing the boundaries of what a lightweight drone can achieve. Release date and future expectations. While the rumored release date of summer 2025 might feel distant, this timeline gives DJI ample opportunity to refine the Mini 5 Pro. Insiders like Jasper Ellens have hinted that DJI is focusing on meaningful, incremental upgrades rather than revolutionary changes. This approach aligns with user expectations, as the Mini series has always been about perfecting the balance between accessibility and performance. why the Mini 5 Pro could be a game changer. For skeptics, the idea of packing so many advanced features into a sub-250G frame might seem ambitious. However, DJI's track record speaks for itself. With innovations like LiDAR, enhanced AI tracking, and 5G connectivity, the Mini 5 Pro could set a new standard for compact drones. Its potential to deliver professional-grade features in a beginner-friendly design makes it a compelling choice for a wide range of users. Final thoughts: anticipation builds. The DJI Mini 5 Pro has already sparked immense excitement among drone enthusiasts, and for good reason. Its rumored features suggest a drone that's not only powerful, but also versatile and user-friendly. As we await official announcements, the anticipation continues to build. Will the Mini 5 Pro live up to the hype? Only time will tell.